Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Genta Sentosa with ID student 123490009 from Instrumentation and Automation Engineering. So in this video, I will show you how to make a simple PCB schematic with microcontroller, one LED, WS, one resistor, and 2-pin connector. And I will make one custom footprint for LED WS. So we will start from open the KiCad, and then we will make a new project. Then I will make a new folder. I will name it tugas. Okay, and then I will give name for the file. I will name it simple. I will name it simple schematic PCB with custom footprint. Okay. So first of all, we will click on schematic editor, and what we need is, first one, we can see from the task, we need a microcontroller. So we will add, I will use Atini 85 for the microcontroller. Okay. We will wait until the symbol show up. It will take several times because my laptop is lagging. We will wait until the footprint library show up. I'm sorry if it takes too long. You can skip the video maybe. So we will just wait until the footprint show up. Okay, the symbol has shown up, so we will search for Atini 85. Or maybe we will use I will choose which Atini. Wait, maybe I will use for Atini. Wait, I will use Atini 85 ya. I just want to make sure which the Athene I will use. Athene 85. Okay, I think I will use this. Okay, after that we need one WS LED WS. So we will click the symbol, then we search for WS. Okay. Okay, I will use this. Wait, maybe I want to check my previous project. Maybe so. I will check which Athene did I use. 20p and oh yeah, okay. I will use the same Athene and the same WS. So okay, I will change to Athene 85p. Yeah. Okay, this one. Okay, so this is for the WS. Okay, and then we need one resistor and connector 2 pin. Okay, we will add resistor. We just click R. Okay, this is for the resistor, and then we need connector 2 pin. Yes, connector 2 pin. Okay, we need connector. Okay, okay, all the components we have add to the schematic. So now we will connect. Wait, maybe I will use the different. I will use this. I will use this connector. Okay. Okay, so this is for the connector. Okay, so I will add 5 volt for the first pin. Okay, and maybe I will add a capacitor here. See, yes, like this. And this is for the ground. Okay, I will put ground here. I will add a capacitor to make it more sustainable or to reduce the noise. Okay. This is for the connector, and then maybe I will move. Okay, then we will continue for the VCC. I will use label maybe. Wait, I want to check my previous project. Save. Okay. Okay, maybe I will put this in here and also put the ground here, and after that we need to connect the WS and the Atini. So I will first add label. Maybe I will name it data, then I put here, and then I put resistor here, so like this, and then we copy the data and put it here, and then we add label for the reset pin also, reset. Then okay, we can close this pin. Okay, now for the wait, I think I want to check my previous schematic again. This one to check. Wait, okay, I will open back the schematic. Maybe I will change this to I will just give label. So okay, PCB power. Okay, maybe PCB power maybe. Okay, okay, just like that. And then I will also copy this to here, and also ground we add to the WS. Don't forget to add capacitor in the WS to make it more proper, like this. Okay, and the other one like this. So I think this is for the circuit for the schematic, and then we will add footprints. We will add footprints, sign footprint. We will wait until the footprint. Okay, capacitor we will use this for the connector. We will use maybe this. We will use the horizontal. Okay, apply, save and continue. Okay, we will click PCB editor, and we will update PCB. Close. Then okay, this is, oh wait, for the, what is this? Oh wait, we get the wrong footprint. so it should be this resistor. Okay, we use this. Then for the connector we use the vertical, not the horizontal. Okay, let's save and continue. Okay, then go back to PCB editor, update PCB, close. Okay, so it's it. For the all, we can see from the test that we have to make custom footprint for LED WS, so we will make our custom footprint WS. So we'll click footprint editor, and then here I have the datasheet for the WS schematic datasheet. So we will start to make the schematic of this component, this footprint. Okay, so footprint, and then we make file, we will click new footprint name, we will give WS 22 WS custom. Okay. Oh, we will make the folder first. We will make the folder, a new folder, then WS custom footprint. Okay, and we will give name for the custom footprint WS custom footprint. Okay, so first we will make 5 times 5 of the component. Okay, so we'll use this. Okay, we click E for properties, and then we can change the size of the rectangle. Okay, after we make it, we will add the path. Okay, there are 4 paths. Maybe we will just make one path and then we will copy to the other pin. Okay, okay. The size is size is 1.5. Okay, 1.5 times 0.9. Okay, so 1.5 and 0.9. So this is the size of the pad, and we will copy into 4 pad. Okay, so it's like this. Wait, cancel. Okay, like this, and we will check for the measure of the pad. So it's 1.5 and then 0.9. Okay, 0.9. So 0.9 or 1.5 minus 0.9, so it will be 0.6. So 0.6. Okay. Okay, we will open the wait. Okay, we'll go back to the footprint. Okay, so we will use a measure. Wait, we will use the red. So wait, maybe we will use the front. How we will use a measure. Where's the measure? Okay, this we need 0.6. So here, okay, 0.6. Okay, we need to measure the 0.6 is, wait, 0.6 it's here. Okay, so we will just, okay, so we can measure again. Okay, a little bit. Okay, it's 0.6. So 0.6. Okay, so that's for our, okay, okay, so it's here. Then we continue to check the schematic. 4.2 between the pad. Okay, so we can delete this 4.2 between the pad. We will just mirror the pin on the left side to the right side, so we'll just focus on the left side first. So here is 4.2, 4.2, 4.2 in here. Okay, so it will shift. Okay, Control X first, so we can just duplicate and wait. Maybe I will duplicate this to here. Okay, I will duplicate it here. Okay, so okay, so I will just aligning the pin, so the between the pin it's 4.2. So 4.2 is here. Okay. Okay, is that correct? We will check. Oh, a little bit more up. Okay, we will check then. Is it right or no? Oh, maybe we can just add a line like this, maybe 4.2. Click E, and then length is wait, right here, then 4.2. Okay, here. So okay, okay, here. And then we can just duplicate the pin that we have made and move it right here. Wait, we have to make sure the size between the pin. Okay. 0.6. We'll check first. Okay, is this 0.6? No. So we have to move a little bit here. Okay, check 0. So it should be here. Okay. Okay, let's check again. Let's check. Is it 0.6? Okay. So we will just have to move a little bit down, just like this, and then we can copy this in here. Wait. Okay. Yeah, like that. Then we copy it and put right here. Okay, like this. So the pin. So we have make our custom footprint for the WS and you'll hit the line that we've made, and then we can just control save. Okay, okay, where is this project? Okay, file name WS costing, WS costing. Okay, so and then we will go back to here, we will go back here, and then for the footprint, okay, we will go back to schematic, and then for the footprint we change to WS custom that we have made. Okay, this, click OK, and then go back to PCB, then we update the PCB, then close, and then we can connect all the components. Okay, we are going to make the edge cut of the PCB. So for the PCB board, okay, we will make edge cut. We will make the size to 35 and 25. Okay, and we will just move it like this, and then yeah, we can just make it properly, and then click E, I mean right click on the mouse or the pad, touchpad, click shape modification, fill it, and then you can set to whatever you like. I will set to 2 values, and then we can connect all the pin. Okay, wait, this resistor goes to, okay, goes to data. Okay, and then so this is the 3D viewer of the schematic. So yeah, like this. So I think that's all. Yeah, I think that's all for the making of the simple PCB with microcontroller. I use Atini 85 LED resistor 2-pin connector and make a custom screen for LED WS, and for the layout and the track. I think that's all. I hope you, and thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.